Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm really happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share my weigh-in for last week and then a little bit about how I did as far as my eating and my tracking goes, my wins, my loses, you know, the huge. I'm going to share with you my menu plan for this coming week, and then I have a couple channel updates I just want to run by you really quick. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number one, let's start with the menu for next week. Got my fancy goggles here. I am going to get these on really quick, and I have my laptop over here. So if you see me glancing away from the camera, that's what I'm looking at. All right, I did have some meals to transfer over. There were a couple of days we didn't stick to our menu. Let's see, so Monday, March 6th, we're doing the crock pot lasagna. As much as I love that, I haven't had time to make that darn recipe yet. So at least I don't have to buy any more ingredients for it, right? Tuesdays, we do lunch meat and chips. Wednesdays, I am finally, let me show you, using my new done-in-one cookbook. And I am going to be making hearty chicken stew with parsley dumplings. It looks really, really good. Really good. And I think it looks like it's 5 points. Now, this is an older cookbook, so it's got the blue, purple, and green points. But from what I understand, I think the new points program is similar to blue, and blue says 5. But I'm planning on doing a cook with me on this one, so I will get this into my recipe builder and let you know for sure. Here is the picture. Doesn't that look good? It looks like chicken and dumplings. That's what it reminds me of. And it's a Dutch oven recipe. I love using my Dutch oven. So yeah, big chunks of celery, chicken, carrots, and biscuits. I'm gonna feel like I'm eating carbs. Sorry. I like my bread. If you guys didn't know that already though, right? Okay. Let's see. Thursdays we do leftovers at our house. Fridays, pizza and salad. I don't know. I'm kind of wanting to do like a homemade pizza thing. I'm watching a lot of YouTubers do that right now, and there is a barbecue chicken one with pineapple and green onions on it that looks phenomenal. I'm kind of thinking about doing that. Or I might just end up making myself a really yummy salad too. Saturday morning, we're going to be doing another pancake bake. That's right, I'm making breakfast on Saturday, which means I don't have to work. And I'm also making breakfast on Sunday, so that's 2 days in a row that I don't have to work. Yeah, I'm having some time off this week. Anyways, so breakfast, I'm making another pancake bake, but this one is, if you remember from last week, it was chocolate chip. This time, I'm making butterscotch pancake bake with sugar-free maple syrup, and here is my favorite part. Danielle from Danielle Nicole, you know what it's going to be, right? Ready Whip. Woo woo. Yep. I am on a Ready Whip kick right now, and Danielle Nicole and I were talking about that, and she's kind of on a Ready Whip kick now too. We're really putting it on anything we can think of, so yum, yum, yum. We're doing lunch meat and chips for lunch, and then I didn't plan a dinner for Saturday. Let me know down in the comments. What do you guys think I should do for dinner on Saturday? Normally I do a crock pot recipe, but I'm going to be home, so I could cook something too. Let me know. Something fun for Saturday evening dinner. Well, I don't eat dinner more than one time a day. It's always in the evening, so just in case. And then Sunday, I'm making egg sandwiches again for the whole family. On Sundays, we do leftovers for lunch to kind of clean out our fridge a little bit. And then dinner, I finally want to do my chicken enchiladas. This is what, the 3rd week in a row for my chicken enchiladas and the crock pot lasagna. So again, at least I don't have to buy any more ingredients. So, yeah. Yep. That is my recipe. My nose itches. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not picking my nose, I promise. I had a couple days. I have my planner here. I've been trying to write down some things that I've noticed as far as my tracking and my eating habits go for the week. And I did have a couple days on Monday, and you guys saw this in my day in a life video. I was just completely exhausted. So we ended up eating out I did find a way to make it fit into my plan, though. I had one of those Papa John's Papa Bowls, and it was 12 points, and it actually fit into my points. So I didn't eat what... You hear my son singing? That's my grown son. Well, he's 17. Why do they do that? They're so loud. They're so loud. Anyways, so I had the Veggie Papa Bowl. It was 12 points. And then another day this week, we did some traveling. So we had to drive for about 5 hours there and back. So I packed some snacks and some drinks to put in my car. And that really helped because then I wasn't tempted to stop at the gas station and get junk food and all the sugary drinks, which I'm pretty good about not drinking sugary drinks anyways, but that worked out really good. And then on the way home, we stopped at Burger King, and I have discovered that the Whopper Jr. without cheese is 12 points, which to me, I think that's worth it because sometimes you just crave a Whopper. I don't know about you guys, but they've been a family fave. So now I can just eat one of the juniors, and I don't mind it. And then I discovered some new chicken nuggets. They're called the Kid Fresh Chicken Nuggets. They're 3 points for 5 of them, and they're decent size and very good. And then I had some Rally's French fries. You know, the seasoned ones that you get in the freezer section. You can have 17 of those for 5 points. So, he sounds like a wild turkey down there. Jeez Louise. So anyways, that is what I ate this week that I was really excited about. Yeah, really good stuff. Now, knowing that I had my tired night and I ate the pizza bowl and we traveled and I had to pack my snacks and I ate the Whopper Jr., do you guys think I gained or lost? I lost again this week. I'm excited. I lost 2.6 pounds, which means I'm down exactly 27 pounds. And that I am very happy with. I feel like I'm kind of getting a, routine as far as my eating and tracking goes. I'm finally getting all the gunk and the icky, they're really good, the less healthy foods out of my refrigerator and replacing it with healthier stuff. So now I'm kind of to the point where I can just open my cabinet in my fridge and grab a healthy option. And that's working out really good. And luckily my family is very supportive and they like the healthier snacks and stuff too. So yeah. Now let me share with you what I'm thinking as far as my channel goes. 2 things. Usually on Mondays, well, for the past few weeks, I've been posting a day in a life or what I eat in a day. Sometimes a cook with me on Mondays. I think I'm going to bump those to Tuesdays because Mondays are just rough for me. And then I feel like I'm pressured all day on Sunday to get my video up and posted. And I don't have good Wi-Fi, so sometimes that can be an all-day thing. So I think I'm going to start posting that on Tuesdays. And then instead of doing my weigh-in and menu plan on Wednesdays, I'm going to record on Wednesdays, but post it on Thursdays. So now you will see a video from me Tuesday, Thursday, and then one on Saturday. You're also going to see some in between. I've got some Temu hauls coming up, and I made a video showing you guys how I do my meal planning and stuff. So there's still going to be stuff in between those every once in a while if I have time. But my main videos, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturday mornings. All right, I think that is it. That conducts our meeting for this week, friends. We're done. The end. Thank you. There's a guy on TikTok who conducts, or he's holding like nursing meetings, and every time he says one thing like, and this week we're going to be doing this, and this is how it's going to go. Thank you. And then we're going to do this, and this. Thank you. So it's one of my favorite TikTok videos. It's really funny, but squirrel moment. Anyways, thank you guys if you're still here for sticking with me. I truly appreciate it. I am going to let you go now. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. All you have to do is click on that little picture of me down in the corner, and we will be instant YouTube family. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.